Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a video where I'll be showing you exactly how I get my damaged hair to look healthy. So to start off, I have very thin and damaged dry hair from all the heat over the years that I have been putting on my hair. So I like to look at products that is going to help with damage and dry hair. So today I will be using the Maui moisture, and as you see, it heals and hydrates for damaged and dry hair. And I will be also going in with the conditioner as the same, heal and hydrate for damaged hair. Man, you have to smell this. It smells so good. You just want to eat it. But yeah, for the conditioner, I'm just gonna apply it to my hair, detangle, and leave it on about 5 minutes just so it can sit and work its magic. So now I'm just gonna be styling my hair. I dried my hair with a t-shirt. It's a cotton t-shirt that I had, and I'll be using the Curl Love Moisture Milk from Camille Rose. And I'll be curling my hair, so finger coiling is what I like to do because it defines my curls, and I'm able to separate them at the end and just have it look more healthy that way. Lately, I've been using this Sunny Isle black Jamaican castor oil, and I put it on my edges. I just rub it on my edges because for some reason whenever I do lose hair, I lose it on my edges, so I don't have any. And now time to diffuse. So it's not fully dry right now, but I'm just gonna let it air dry because I just don't want too much frizz going on, because I feel like when I use the diffuser the whole time, it kind of like frizzes my hair a little bit, so I didn't want that. So I'm just gonna let the rest just air dry and connect. But this is what it looks like right now, just halfway dry. Oh yeah, that is my routine for this Sunday. and I will have more videos like this soon posted up. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I mean, what does it hurt? Just hit it. That's it. You want to see more videos? I have giveaways coming up soon. I'm gonna mention that in another video. And I'm going to be doing videos every weekend and every Wednesday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesdays. So that's 4 days in a week. So don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys, my little subscribers. I thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and for those who are watching, subscribe. I see you watching. Just subscribe. And you like this kind of videos, give it a thumbs up. There's more to come. And yeah, love you guys.